Hi, welcome to our channel. In front of me Nothing Phone 1, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up and how to use newbie share on this device. Firstly, you need to open control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Find location services and enable it. I can't find location services, I'm so sorry. Because my location services is out of top. So find location services and enable it. Click agree. Cool. Now you need to open control panel, find here newbie share and click and hold on it. Wait a while, click add or verify, click agree. Cool. Now just enable newbie share. Fine. Now you can change your device name, for example, nothing. Click rename. You can change your device visibility mode. For example, you can choose only. You can be visible only for contacts, or you can be visible for everyone, or you can be hidden. And you can choose data usage mode too. You can choose only Bluetooth mode, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. So cool. Now we can send and we can receive data, images, videos, files, photos using newbie share. And for example, I want to send this image from my OnePlus device to my Nothing device, from my any Android device to Nothing. So to send file using newbie share from another phone to your phone, you need to click send via newbie share. Find here in available devices your Nothing device, click on it, wait a while and click accept on your Nothing device. Cool, as you can see, image was successfully sent. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.